benvenuti al Tagliercio di Mestre, benvenuti all'ultima giornata di regular season che su questo parquet vede affrontarsi Humana Reyer Venezia e Carpegna Prosciutto Pesaro.
I think we're playing together as a team right now, especially on defense. Offense is going to take care of itself, but we just have to mainly focus on rebounding because they're a big team, very athletic, very long, so pulls. So we just have to make sure that we just cover the glass and just score when we can in fast breaks.
Termina 9-1-7-9, la Reyer si impone e conferma la quarta piazza, non sarebbe cambiato niente per Pesaro, l'amaro verdetto della retrocessione, ma sarà sicuramente solo un arrivederci.
You know, it was really important for us to come out here and get a W. You know, we didn't want to go into the playoffs. You know, with 2 losses, we wanted to have some momentum going to the playoffs about whoever we play, and it was really important we stayed together and played as a team, and we did exactly that.